Hey yo, Pluto, you going brazen?
Oh yeah, Berkey, this the one right here.
Wrote you this message from the backseat of a Lambo. How I wish I could be with you with my grandma. Double cup out, you been pouring up. I don't got no love left. I'ma tote that stick like it's
bitch, they label me a black sheep. I tried to tell them we them boys, not no backstreet. I stand on 10 on this concrete, so much got black feet. I lost my cousin and 2 others in this past week. I caused that fight that led to lucky dying, don't ask me. How I been feeling, I been thinking on my downtime. I tried to tell them, baby, I ain't gon' play about mine. I'm out here fighting for my life and I'm on round 9. Said I can't pull up to your funeral, that's out of line. I felt your energy last night, I really needed that. I'm not gon' hold on for too long, I know you needed that. I'm in the studio right now, wish you could see me rap. I'm locking in, I put my heart out on this fucking track. I was stuck in my ways, I had to get some folks around me. If them niggas ain't working, you need to keep them folks around me. I said if you gon' do it for real, bitch, I'm so proud. They say how you smile through all that pain, I tell them why not. I cut off family members, can't nobody fuck up my shot. I put my trust in 3 things, one of them is my Glock. My partner say I did them dirty, that wasn't even my eye. My partner won't change on me at all, not for no dollar. I got love for my brothers like they came straight up out my mama. Used to tote that chopper, we ain't ducking from no drama. This for all them black sheep, turned up with no comments. Wrote you this message from the backseat of a Lambo. How I wish I could be with you with my grandma. Double cup, I just been pouring up. I don't got no love left. I'ma tote that stick like it's a banjo. I'm back on the road, no. Praying to your soul,
20 years behind the scenes.
no. Ice bites, cold, no. Happy, I don't know.
to this message from the backseat of a Lambo. How I wish I could be with you with my grandma. Double cup, I just been pouring up. I don't got no love left. I'ma tote that stick like it's a banjo.
Oh, I'm not recording this shit no more. You can't drive.
Tell them folks we at Club AutoZone.
Hey, it's actually, man, we done brought the fucking world out again on a light day, you know what I'm saying? We got all types of shit. We got Cats, Scats, G8s, Chrysler, Scat Pack, Hemi, Demi. Might even have your hoe out here, you feel me? Y'all folks make sure y'all tune in, cause after this scene, the video finna get wicked.